Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TikTok profile visuals with consistent typography, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your TikTok app. Go to your profile by tapping the me icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Choose the profile picture option to update your visual content. Select a picture that represents your brand or personality. Make sure the image is clear and of high quality. Next, let's move on to your username section. Choose a unique username that reflects your content style. Keep it simple and easy to remember. Now, let's update your bio. Write a short and engaging bio that highlights your interests or niche. Use consistent typography to maintain a cohesive look. Consider using emojis to add personality to your text. Next, adjust your profile's font settings if applicable. Select fonts that align with your brand's visual identity. Stick to one or two font styles to maintain consistency. Now, return to the main Edit Profile section. Choose a catchy link to connect your other social media accounts. Make sure the link matches your overall theme. Preview your changes to see how your profile looks. Adjust any elements that don't fit or look right. Once satisfied, save your changes. Now your TikTok profile is visually appealing and consistent. Remember to update your visuals regularly to keep your audience engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.